An angle with a measure of 5.7 pi would be equivalent to which of the following angle measurements? Well, any angle, right, no matter what it looks like, is going to live somewhere on a circle here, okay? 0 and 2 pi are the same thing. So if I were to take this number and add 2 pi to it, if I were to take that angle rather, so are we giving it, so if I call it theta, if I were to take angle theta and add 2 pi, I land in the same spot. Similarly for this problem, if I subtract 2 pi, I land in the same spot. So what I need to do is I need to take 5.7 pi and subtract 2 pi as many times as I can until I run out of stuff. And my job here is to select all that applies. So I have to make my way all the way down to negative 5.7. So I'm subtracting 2 pi a bunch of times. So subtracting 2 pi gets me 3.7 pi. None of those are an option. So let's do it again. Subtract 2 pi is going to get us 1.7 pi. None of those is an option, but I did pass 2.7 pi, so words are hard. So at least I can cross that out. Let's subtract 2 pi again. That's going to get me negative 0.3 pi. So that is an option. Let's do it again. Minus 2 pi is going to get me negative 2.3 pi. So we passed u and didn't land on u, so that's not an option. Let's keep going. Minus 2 pi is going to get me negative 4.3 pi. That's not an option. Looks like all we have to do is one more time. Minus 2 pi is going to get me negative 6.3 pi, which I passed u. So D is the only option. After all of that, D was the only option that seemed to work. So D is going to be our only answer.